to live like this. I got a bad little boss bitch. Too many diamonds, camera glitz. Now I'm shining on fraud bitch. Ain't gotta tell them, they know that I'm rich.
stretch out your dome cap because I did kind of scrunch mine together. It's no big deal, but I'm just saying. But as you guys can see, it's looking really neat, except for this area did get a little scrunch, but I'm gonna fix it on this row. just wanted to pop in and talk to you guys about this hair. Now, I did make this unit on a sewing machine like you guys saw, and I did kind of make it a little too big and thick. However, this hair, you guys, bomb. The quality of this unit is gorgeous. First of all, the lace bleached so well, plucked beautifully, the knots gone, the lace blended into my skin so well. You guys are gonna see at the end of the video, I don't have any makeup on, any powder on, or anything like that, and it blended into my skin so freaking well. It's not even funny. And as I'm cutting the lace, you guys can even see how good it looks. It really does look great. Like, and that's with no makeup, no powder or anything. That's just pure lace. So honestly, I love this company. The hair quality was amazing, you guys. Like, it was so good. As you guys can see, I'm not flat ironing it, but hot combing the roots now, and it's not giving me any trouble. It's so silky, it's so soft. I will have all of the length and information down in my description box. Honestly, you guys, this company is definitely a 10 out of 10. I didn't get any tingling or anything like that. I did go in and straighten this unit. This unit is honestly gorgeous, you guys. Like, I can't keep saying, I'm just gonna keep saying that because it really truly is. Like, I love this hair. It was so thick and so full for long lengths, so I'm really here for that. And honestly, you guys, love the texture, love the luster, love everything about this unit. If you guys are interested in any straight hair, I definitely suggest this company. I'll leave everything down in my description box, so make sure you guys check them out below.